Magnetic nature of transition metals. Every substances possess some amount of magnetic character. Two types of magnetic behavior are observed in the presence of an applied magnetic field. Certain substances are weakly repelled in an applied magnetic field. Such substances are called diamagnetic substances, and that type of magnetism is called diamagnetism. Diamagnetic substances are weakly repelled in an applied magnetic field. And the second type of magnetic behavior is paramagnetism. Paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted in an applied magnetic field. We have one more. If a substance is strongly attracted in an applied field, they are called ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism is an extreme case of paramagnetism. This magnetic moment of these elements are due to, the magnetic moment is due to their spin motion and angular motion. Every substances are made of atoms. Atoms contain electron. Electrons undergo two types of motion. One is their spin motion, they rotate about their own axis. One is their orbital motion, they revolve around the nucleus in their orbits. So two types of motion, one is spin motion, the other one is orbital motion. For every electron in atoms. Due to this orbital and spin motion, they possess angular momentum. There will be spin angular momentum and orbital angular momentum. So this paramagnetism arises due to the presence of unpaired electron. Paramagnetism is due to the presence of unpaired electron. So elements which contain unpaired electrons are paramagnetic in nature. So the magnetic behavior arises due to the spin motion and the orbital motion. But in the case of 3D transition element, the magnetic moment due to orbital angular momentum, that is orbital motion, has been quenched and hence it has no significance. So here we consider the magnetic moment due to spin motion of the electron only. So the spin motion of the electron, the spin angular momentum or the spin magnetic moment can be calculated from the number of unpaired electron n. Using a formula, the magnetic moment can be denoted by the letter mu, and it is equal to root of n into n plus 2, where n is the number of unpaired electron. So every substances which contain one or more unpaired electron possess paramagnetism, and the amount of magnetism which can be measured in terms of magnetic moment can be calculated using this formula. This is called a spin-only magnetic moment. Here we consider the magnetic moment due to spin motion of the electron only. Because the orbital motion, the orbital angular momentum has no significance, so has very little contribution towards the magnetic moment, and hence it is not significant. Here we consider the magnetic moment due to spin motion of the electron only. Can be calculated using this formula. So from the number of unpaired electron, the spin-only magnetic moment can be calculated. Most of the transition metal ions are paramagnetic in nature. But there are some ions which are not paramagnetic. For example, scandium plus 3. Scandium plus 3, we know the configuration is 3d0. Scandium configuration 3d1 4s2. So scandium plus 3 3d0. No unpaired d electron. Number of unpaired d electron equal to 0. So what is the mu value? Magnetic moment of scandium 3 plus equal to 0. Means scandium 3 plus is not paramagnetic. It shows diamagnetism. Scandium plus 3 is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic nature arises due to the presence of paired electron. If no unpaired electron, if all the electrons are paired, such metal ions show diamagnetism, diamagnetic property. Another example which is not paramagnetic is zinc 2 plus. Zinc 2 plus also we know the electronic configuration 3d10. Zinc 3d10 4s2. So zinc 2 plus 3d10. All the diatomic orbital is fully filled, means with the 2 electrons, all the electrons are paired, so that their spin motion get cancelled, net spin equal to 0, so there is no magnetic moment. So the magnetic moment here also number of unpaired electron equal to 0, so magnetic moment equal to 0, they are diamagnetic. Scandium 3 plus, zinc 2 plus, another example titanium 4 plus, titanium's electronic configuration we know 4s2 3d 2. If 4 electrons are removed, its configuration is 3d 0. No unpaired electron, and this is also diamagnetic. And all the other metal ions in the 3d series are paramagnetic because they contain one or more unpaired electron. Calculate the magnetic moment of manganese 2 plus ion. Manganese 2 plus ion, calculate the magnetic moment. How will you find out? Manganese 2 plus ion, we need to write the configuration 3d5. 3d5 4s2 manganese atom. Remember 2 plus means 3d5. How many unpaired electron? 5 unpaired electron. So n is equal to 5. Magnetic moment is equal to root of 5 into 5 plus 2, which is equal to 5 root of 5 into 7, that is root 35. We get a value 5.92. 5.92 Bohr magneton. This is the unit of Bohr magneton, is the unit of magnetic moment. So for every transition metal ion, we can calculate the magnetic moment using this formula. And this paramagnetic behavior, paramagnetism I told depends on the number of unpaired electron. Greater the number of unpaired electron, greater will be the paramagnetic behavior. As the number of unpaired electron increases, paramagnetic nature also increases across the 3D series.